So let's be real, bar chords are one of the top reasons guitarists get frustrated or even give up. You try to play one clearly, your hand starts hurting, the chord buzzes, and you wonder if you're just not cut out for this. And then you get told, just keep pushing through, it will click eventually. But what if you didn't have to push through the pain and frustration right now? What if you could still sound great and play real songs without forcing bar chords before you're ready? Now, just to be clear, I'm not saying bar chords are bad, far from it. They're powerful and you'll definitely want to use them in your playing later on. But depending on where you are at the moment, they can feel like a brick wall. So in this video, I'm going to show you 2 practical ways to work around bar chords and still sound great. So we're going to start off with number 1. Here's the first key. You don't need to press every note in the bar chord. Most bar chord shapes are filled with repeated notes and dropping a couple won't change the overall sound. Let's take a B minor. Instead of the full bar chord, just use fingers 3, 4, 2 and 1. So here's the full bar chord. But we can use fingers 3, 4, 2 and 1. Starting from the 4th string, sounds great, no bar needed. And again, if we just move that up 2 frets, that becomes C sharp minor. 1 more, D minor. 2 more, E minor, and so on. Let's take a look at F sharp major. Forget the full bar chord, so this one here. Place fingers 3, 4, 2 and 1 where you need them. Block the first string off with your index, so mute that high E. Avoid the low E string completely and sound just as full. Again, move up 2 frets, that becomes G sharp major. Next one, A major. Up 2 frets from there, B major, and so on. Let's take a look at another one, F sharp minor, another common bar chord. Just grab the 3 bottom notes of this chord, and that is a little triad inversion of F sharp minor. So it's another way to play F sharp minor. Move it up to another fret, G minor. 2 frets, G sharp minor. 1 fret from there, A minor. And so on. So again, just a nice easy way to play a minor chord instead of using the bar chords. Your hand isn't a clamp from a toolbox, it's a musical tool. So less tension you use, the better it will sound and feel. Next up, if you're playing a song that's full of bar chords, especially in keys like A flat, B flat or E flat, the next hack is to use a capo. Now, here's a great example. All of Me by John Legend contains the chords F minor, D flat major, A flat major, E flat major. All bar chord heavy. But just stick a capo on fret number 1 and you can play them same chords by using open position chords E minor, C, G and a D. So no need for bar chords and it still sounds just as good as the original. If you'd like me to do a full lesson on how transposition works with a capo, pop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to do that. But a capo is a great way to get around bar chords. You're still playing in the right key, just using shapes that feel better in your hands. So if you're tired of a cramp fest every time, just try and learn a new song by using the capo. So now you've got 2 real world ways to stop struggling with bar chords and start making progress without sacrificing great sound or motivation. If you're ready to go deeper and really want to improve your playing with structure and support, check out my Guitar Club membership, link in the description. Inside you'll get access to all my premium courses, weekly practice materials with scrolling tab, the ability to slow down, speed up and loop every example, plus a private community where you can ask questions and stay motivated alongside other players on the same path. And on top of that, if you'd like my free essential guide to chords, it's completely free. It's a walkthrough of all the chords, shapes, transitions and how to use them musically in real songs. Again, that's completely free, link will be in the description. If today's video has helped you, you'll love what's waiting inside. So thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.